Yo, what's up, guys?
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica.
And I'm Christian.
And tonight we're actually going to be filming a couple's night routine for you guys. This is typically just what we do whenever he doesn't have work, so
here we go. Jump in.
So first, we did just get home about like 2-ish hours ago from class and work and stuff, and now we are probably just going to do homework. So
that's part of the nightly routine. Homework.
Yeah, no kidding. All right, let's get into it. Hey guys, so we just finished doing our homework, and I think we are going to have some dinner now. We're going to make some grilled cheese and tomato soup. So it's gonna be very yummy. And we'll probably turn on some Netflix while we eat because it's typically what we do.
Right now we're watching The End of the Effing World.
Yeah.
Which is amazing.
So good. And Criminal Minds. So it's amazing, and we will go ahead and start cooking now. So we just finished cooking dinner. As you can see, this is obviously not grilled cheese. Our bread was moldy, so we made some chicken fingers and some beef rice. So definitely not what we had planned, so we're a little bit bummed about that, but
now we just have this bomb meal, so we gonna eat.
Why would I want to speak to a woman? Well, because,
It's time for bed.
So, we just got done doing the dishes, and we'll typically clean up in the living room and like this whole area and things like that. We find that if we pick up a little bit like every night, it just helps keep the apartment from getting super messy and whatnot. So we'll do that while the other person is doing the dishes usually. And now I'm going to make my tea before bed and take a bath. It's the best part of the night.
And I will watch.
He will not watch. No, but we'll usually like play Uno together on our phones.
Ooh, yeah.
While I'm in the bath.
And then Piper will also be here for the
So that's fun. So this is the mug that I'm going to use. It's my favorite. It says, my dog is cuter than yours. It is so cute. And I will get my tea. I have like a huge variety of tea and coffee. I'm just gonna use one of these. This is the Sleepy Time tea, which is personally one of my favorites. And then I just plop that and lift it up and have to reclose it. And I will do 10 ounces, and then I just hit start. So while that is running, I will go get my bath ready. Take this down. Almost ready for my bath. I did decide to use these charcoal pore strips. They're deep cleansing, and I wash my face with this 2-in-1 pore purifying cleansing gel before I use these, and then I'm gonna put these on, take a bath, and I have my. So anyone that knows me knows that my favorite time of day is
Nighttime.
because I get to.
Sleep.
Getting in bed is my absolute favorite thing, and I love it so much. So I'm very excited for bedtime, as always, because it's the best time of the day. At me, I dare you. So the final thing that we typically do before bed is we'll lay in bed and read. Right now, Christian is reading this Child of a Mad God. I don't really know what that's about. He just got it today, so he's pretty excited about that. And I'm currently reading the Harry Potter series. So we typically just lay in bed and read with our little cuddle bug. And then after that, we will go to bed.
So that's us in a nightly nutshell.
In a nightly nutshell. So, bye guys. We will see you next time.